Types of software with examples. What is a software? Software is a set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. Set of instructions given to a computer to solve a problem. Set of instructions that tells a computer what to do and how to do it. Software is a program that performs a task. It is also called a program. Different software are used to solve different problems. Without software, computers cannot function. Types of software. There are two types of software: system software, application software. Let's study them in detail. System software. System software is the lifeblood of any computer system. It consists of the operating system and the utilities that make the system usable. System software is important for a computer to function properly. A program that controls and manages the computer's hardware makes a computer run efficiently. Operations of system software. System software enables application programs to execute. It performs the following operations: saving data on disk, making computer work for us, printing a document. Types of system software. There are three types of system software: operating system, utility programs, device drivers. Operating systems. Operating systems are the most important type of system software. They manage the hardware and software resources of a computer. They also provide a platform for application programs to run on. All devices have an operating system, software that manages the hardware, creates the interface between the hardware and the user, tells the computer how to use its own components, allows application software to communicate with the hardware. When a program wants the hardware to do something, it communicates through the operating system. Similarly, when you want the hardware to do something such as copying or printing a file, your request is handled by the operating system. Examples of operating system: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, Ubuntu, Unix. Functions of operating systems: controls hardware, memory, and the application software, manages information on the disk, runs computer programs, manages the startup process. Utility programs. Utilities are programs that help maintain a computer system and keep it running smoothly. Allow users to analyze, configure, and maintain computer programs, perform specific tasks related to the management of computers, used to perform maintenance type of tasks, installed at the time of installing operating system but can be installed afterwards. Examples of utility programs: antivirus, file management, disk management like disk defragmenter software, compression tools, disk cleanup tool, backup software. Device driver. A program that controls particular device that is attached to a computer. Device drivers are programs that allow communication between a hardware device and the operating system. Without device drivers, the operating system would not be able to interact with the hardware properly. Device drivers act as a bridge between the hardware and the operating system. They allow the operating system to recognize and use the hardware properly. Device drivers are written specifically for each piece of hardware. Example of device driver: display drivers, printer drivers, mouse drivers, keyboard drivers, USB drivers, hard drive driver, sound card driver, ROM drivers, motherboard drivers, VGA drivers, virtual device drivers, BIOS drivers, phones, speakers. Application software. Application software consists of programs that do specific tasks for users. It tells the computer how to accomplish specific tasks such as word processing or drawing for the user. Types of application software. There are 4 basic types that the application software is divided: word processing software, database software, multimedia software, web browsers. Let's study them in detail. Word processing software. Word processing software is an application program used to create, edit, format, and print documents. The first word processing program was developed in the early 1960s, and since then there have been many different programs developed for different purposes. Allow users to create and edit documents. Example of word processing software: Microsoft Word, Notepad, Google Docs, Apple Pages. Database programs. Database programs are application programs that store, retrieve, and manipulate data in a database. A database is a collection of data that can be accessed by computers. Allow users to store and retrieve data from databases. Example of database programs: Microsoft Access, Oracle, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server. Multimedia programs allow users to create and play audio and video media. They are capable of playing media files. Example of multimedia programs: Real Player, VLC, Media Player, Picasa, Adobe Photoshop. Web browsers. Web browsers are software programs that allow users to access, view, and navigate the World Wide Web. A web browser takes you anywhere on the internet. It allows people to browse websites on the internet. It retrieves information from other parts of the web and displays it on your desktop or mobile device. Examples of web browsers: Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera, Firefox. Thank you for watching this video.